they could. More than 300,000 people are still without power in the state of Florida. A week after Irma, flooding remains a concern for people along the Wjla River. That is north of Tampa. The river isn't expected to crest until midweek, and police are going door to door telling the thousands of people to evacuate. Even those whose homes are not in danger are being told that they could be cut off until the water level drops and storm runoff subsides. And after deploying to the U.S. Virgin Islands, Virginia Task Force 1 is back in Puerto Rico tonight. The search and rescue team is helping with recovery from Hurricane Irma and preparing for the arrival of Hurricane Maria later this week. And Josh has definitely been keeping his eye on 3 storms, not only Maria, also Jose and Lee.
Unfortunately, Lee, as busy as things are, is likely going to just kind of fizzle out, now back down to a tropical depression. But between Maria and Jose, I think we have a very busy next 2 weeks, probably keeping a close eye on these storms. Let's start off with a very quiet view around D.C. Things have been really nice for us this weekend. Aside from just a few isolated showers, really a great last weekend of summer. Fall officially starts for us on Friday, so enjoy while it might be a little above average. 80 degrees for you still reported there from Arlington this evening. As we go throughout the rest of the evening, 76 around 7 o'clock, nice and quiet. Still about 71 degrees for you by 9. Your forecast for tonight, temperatures range about 59 to 69 degrees. A pretty big spread, and I do expect again some patchy fog to develop. So a lot like it looked this morning with those low clouds and the foggy early morning hours. That's likely how your Monday will start off as well. Then the afternoon looks a lot like today. Mix of sun and clouds. We will still hang on to this chance for an isolated shower, and temperatures are right at average for this time of year. 79 degrees officially. Our high temperature for what's normal for the day, now below the 80-degree mark. Let's talk about Jose. Let's see where we are now. We've got this Category 1 storm here spinning just about 330 miles, you can see, off the coast from Hatteras, and this storm expected to stay moving north, so staying out to sea. But even with that, some strong gusty winds, likely some beach erosion, rip currents, that sort of thing, something we will be dealing with along the coastline. As a matter of fact, as of tonight at 5 o'clock, the National Hurricane Center putting out tropical storm watches for the Delaware coast all the way up into southeast New England. So something to keep in mind as we watch this storm. And still, even by Friday, even though it's just a tropical depression, a low that's left over, 60-mile-an-hour winds wrapped up in that storm. So what I want to show you is what this looks like closer to home. For us tomorrow, mixture of sun and clouds, a few showers not out of the question, but the day again looks a lot like today. I think Futurecast overdoing it a bit. As we fast forward here into Tuesday, there you can see the center of Jose bringing some rain to the beaches. Meanwhile, D.C. stays relatively dry. The bigger thing we're going to see from Jose around the metro area will be these gusty winds, and not really that strong. For D.C., it's just about 25 miles an hour. Now, as you go farther east, they do pick up pretty quickly. By Ocean City, by Dover, we've got those wind gusts that'll be closer to almost 50 miles an hour. So looking ahead this week, still pretty quiet. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, temperatures right around that 80-degree mark. But into next week, that's when we could see Maria getting a bit closer. Now, this track only goes out here with our Category 1 storm, taking us closer to Puerto Rico, Punta Cana, the Dominican Republic by the time we get to Thursday. So this one's still several days out. But the problem here is that this is a major hurricane, winds of 125 miles an hour, Category 3, again moving over those same places that Irma did. So thoughts down there with everybody dealing with Irma and now getting ready to deal with this. And of course, we'll keep an eye on that as it does make that turn and could be bringing some power closer to the East Coast by next week. 79 degrees for you on Monday, Tuesday, and then by first day of fall, we're back into the low 80s. Again, if we do see any rain or anything from Maria, that would be into next week by Tuesday, Wednesday, still several days out. But all in all, this week, things are looking pretty good.
The Redskins still doing well against the Rams.
Yes.
Happy to hear it.
They're in action right now. And then the Ravens, they were dominant in their home opener against the Browns, while a source tells me skin safety Stuart Cravens is expected to rejoin the team on Tuesday. So we'll have the very latest on all of that when we come back.
Con artists. They'll try anything to get your Medicare card number.
So they can steal your identity.
Commit Medicare fraud.
What can you do? Guard your card.
Guard your card, just like your credit card.
Nobody gets my number, unless I know they should have it.
To protect your identity, new Medicare cards without Social Security numbers will be mailed next year.
Visit Medicare.gov/fraud.
Stay sharp, people.
It's Empire Today's half-price sale. Get $2,400 of flooring for $1,200, $5,200 for an amazing $2,600. That's half the price of your entire purchase. Shop for carpet, hardwood, tile, vinyl, and laminate right from home and have it professionally installed. Don't miss Empire's half-price sale. Schedule now.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today. Shop in our store in Fairfax.
How does it feel? You're approved for financing and already know your down payment at drivetime.com.
I am?
You will be in 2 minutes. And we should know because we're from 2 minutes into the future.
Prove it.
That's not your real hair.
I don't know what you're talking about.
3, 2, 1. There it goes.
See your financing in 2 minutes and shop over 10,000 vehicles. The Drive Time Machine, only